I just finished scouting the entire Lowe's SpringFest Week 2 lineup, and let me tell you, if you pulled the trigger during Week 1, you might have moved too soon. Why? Because this week, Lowe's is finally dropping the real deals, not just those meh discounts they show to get people through the door. We're talking items starting at $1 or $2 and big ticket gear slashed by hundreds. But here's the catch. Not everything that glitters is gold. Some of these are fake deals. They look deep, but they aren't worth your hard-earned cash. If you don't know how to pick them, you're still losing money even in a sale. In this video, I'm filtering it all for you, the absolute best. Week 2 steals the buy now essentials and the stuff you should steer clear of. Stick around. You're about to shop a whole lot smarter. Let's get into it. Before we dive into the list, I gotta let you in on a little secret. SpringFest isn't just a random sale, it's a calculated game. If you understand the play, you'll time your purchases perfectly and save a mountain of cash. It breaks down into 3 phases. Week 1 is the tease. They throw out a few shiny objects to get your attention. Week 2, this is the main event. This is when they start playing for real deeper cuts, better bundles, and way more freebies. The final phase is just a clearance garage sale. At that point, it's hit or miss. You're just picking through the leftovers. After 10 years of buying tools and hunting deals at Lowe's, I always wait for Week 2. This is the golden window prices hit rock bottom. The BOGO buy one, get one bundles actually show up. The stuff that's actually worth owning hits the floor. If you like this kind of straight-to-the-point, no-fluff deal, scouting, hit that like button and subscribe so I can keep these updates coming for you. Now, let's talk about the deal everyone asks for. The one I stock up on every single year, Mulch. Let's roll. All right, my fellow weekend warriors and garden enthusiasts, buckle up. We're starting with what I call the King of SpringFest. Listen when you walk into the garden center this week. Don't be shocked if it looks like a scene out of a disaster movie with people hauling bags like the world is ending. The big headline, Mulch. Normally, a bag of premium mulch from Scott's or Stay Green will run you $4 to $5. This week, it's $2 a bag. Or just remember the magic formula, 5 bags for $10. I'm telling you, this is the lowest price of the year. It's Black Friday pricing, right when you actually need to plant stuff. If you're planning to mulch your entire yard for the summer and you don't grab 20 or 30 bags, now your wallet is going to hate you later. Think about it. For the same money that used to cover half your yard, you can now cover everything from the front gate all the way to the chicken coop. I hear guys say all the time, oh, don't buy the cheap stuff, go to a pro nursery for the fancy soil. Look, after 10 years of DIY, I'm calling BS. That Stay Green mulch at Lowe's is solid. It holds moisture, kills the weeds, and that dark brown color makes your yard look luxury for the price of a couple of lattes. But here is the pro tip to save you from a trip to the chiropractor. Stop pushing those heavy carts to the parking lot. Seriously, I see guys sweating bullets, struggling to push a mountain of 30 bags through the sun, and it hurts my back just watching. Here's the savvy move. Sit on your couch, open the Lowe's app, and order online. Then just cruise over for curbside pickup. Let those young, energetic employees do the heavy lifting. They'll load every single bag into your trunk while you sit in the AC, listen to your music, and give them a polite thank you nod. That is how a pro does SpringFest. What do you guys think? Anyone ever learned the hard way and spent a week in bed after hauling 40 bags? Or do you have a better get in, get out hack? Let me know in the comments. And hey, smash that like button to keep me fueled up for the next aisle. Subscribe now because I've got a stack of deal nukes coming up next. We've laid the foundation with the mulch. Now let's head to the manliest part of the store, where the combo kits are so cheap I think they might have made a typo on the price tags. All right, now that we've got our foundation with the mulch, let's talk about what I call the miracle cure for your home's curb appeal. If you want your neighbors to stop and stare while your wallet stays fat and happy, this is your time to shine. Guys, look at this. I am not kidding. $1 for a 1-pint starter plant. You heard me right, a single buck. That's less than a cheap soda, and you're holding a literal piece of lush life in your hands. Normally, if you wander into one of those fancy local nurseries, they'll bark at you for 3 or 4 times that price for the exact same petunias or marigolds. But at Lowe's this week, they're practically giving them away to get you addicted to gardening. I remember a neighbor last year who spent a fortune at a boutique decor shop. Result, everything was dead after 1 week of heat. Me, I swiped a whole tray of 20 Bonnie plants from Lowe's for just $20. My wife thought they wouldn't last because they were so cheap, but thanks to that professional root system and nutrient-rich soil, they grew like weeds and covered the whole walkway. Turning a gray, dull yard into a vibrant carpet of color during a weekend, DIY project with the kids, that's the dream, folks. It's not just about saving money, it's about enjoying the good life. Is that $1 price tag blowing your mind yet? If you're as hyped as I am, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my next aisle raid. By the way, are you guys into colorful flowers or are you team veggie for that homegrown harvest? Drop a comment below. But don't get too distracted by the flowers, because if you've got a beautiful yard but your patio furniture is rusty and falling apart, you're doing it wrong. Let's head over to the patio section where the high-end sets are sitting at, well, unbelievable prices. Okay, take a deep breath and get your game face on because we're entering the showroom of budget dreams. If you've got the mulch and the flowers, but you're still rocking those plastic chairs from your grandma's era, you're disrespecting your own DIY hustle. Wow. Just look at these price tags. Are you shivering? Because I am. Week 2 of SpringFest is when Lowe's goes on a price massacre to clear space for the new summer designs. We are talking massive cuts, 40% to 60% off. Check the specs. Those heavy-duty, weather-resistant stackable chairs that usually hover around $40 to $50, they're down to $19. And that massive offset umbrella from Allen plus Roth, the one that lets you drink your beer in the shade without a sunburn, is $100 off. It went from a $300 luxury item to totally affordable in the blink of an eye. Real talk. A couple of years ago, my wife was nagging me to fix up the back porch. I almost went to a high-end place like West Elm. But once I saw those 4-figure price tags, I did a U-turn so fast I left skid marks. I waited for SpringFest, grabbed a full Origin 21 set at Lowe's, and never looked back. Modern powder-coated aluminum frames, thick water-resistant cushions, all for a third of the price. My guests still ask me where I got such a bougie set, and I just grin and tell them that's a pro secret. Plus, this year's Origin 21 line uses Sunbrella fabric. That stuff is UV resistant, meaning it won't fade in the sun like the cheap flea market stuff. Buy it once, use it for a decade. That's smart shopping. If you're itching to drive to Lowe's right now, hold up. Hit that like and subscribe button first so I can give you one last burst of energy. Do you like a cozy vibe with string lights or a sleek modern look? Comment below and I'll help you pick the right patio set for your style. The chill zone is ready, but a summer afternoon is nothing without the smell of BBQ. Follow me, because right over there the monsters of the grill world are waiting for us at a price you won't believe. All right, before we get into this one, I have to give you a fair warning. This deal will make you spend money. Not maybe, but definitely. We are looking at the legendary Blackstone 28-inch culinary griddle. Normally, you'd have to cough up $449 for this bad boy, but for week 2 of SpringFest, Lowe's has absolutely slashed the price down to $299. That's a straight-up 33% discount. This isn't just a sale anymore, it's a sweet temptation that's almost impossible to walk past. I call this a dangerous deal because it attacks you right where it hurts your hungry stomach and your passion for BBQ. To be honest, last year I already had a charcoal Weber at home, but when I saw this Blackstone at such a deep discount, I just stood there frozen for 5 minutes. My brain started doing deal math. Okay, the charcoal grill is for steaks, but this flat top, I can do smash burgers stir fry, or whip up a massive breakfast with eggs and bacon for the whole family like a pro. And that was it. My willpower crumbled, and I hauled it home to my very surprised wife. But guess what? After that first backyard feast with those juicy, perfectly seared patties, she was the one praising it the most. Technically speaking, this unit packs 2 powerful burners, pumping out a total of 34,000 BTUs. What does that mean in English? It means it gets screaming hot fast. It lets you lock in those juices in seconds and creates a crust sear that your indoor kitchen pans could only dream of. Compared to some $1,000 Camp Chef models, this Blackstone gives you 90% of the experience for a fraction of the cost. So where do you stand? Are you team charcoal or team flat top? Drop a comment and let's start a friendly backyard war. If you're a real deal DIYer, you know the unwritten law of the workshop. Tools might break, but you can never have enough batteries. And this week, Lowe's is playing a strategic game that'll have you scoring big time if you're paying attention. Lowe's is being very clever here. They don't just drop the price of a drill or a grinder by $20 that's amateur hour. Instead, they go full BOGO, buy one, get one. Here's the breakdown. When you pick up a DeWalt 20-volt Max 2-tool combo kit, for around $299, they'll just casually hand you a Power Stack starter kit or a 6.0 ampere-hour high-output battery worth anywhere from $200 to $330. Do you realize how insane that is? Sometimes the free gift is worth more than the actual tool you went in for. With over a decade of swinging hammers, I swear I've never seen it this easy to build up a battery ecosystem. Look at the specs that DeWalt Power Stack uses pouch cell technology. It's 25% smaller, but 50% more powerful than traditional batteries. That means you can sink 6-inch lag bolts into pressure-treated lumber, and the tool won't even flinch. It's smooth as butter. Buying these batteries at full price is a heartbreaker. This deal, it's basically legalized robbery at Lowe's this week. I remember doing a fence project for my in-laws once, and I ran out of juice at the worst possible moment. I had to run to the store and pay full retail for a single battery. It hurt my soul. Since then, I've made a vow I only buy batteries during SpringFest. Trust me on this. Buy the tool, get the free battery, and if you have too many tools, just sell the bare tool on a local marketplace. You'll end up with a pro-grade battery for $0. So what are you rocking, Team Yellow DeWalt or Team Red Milwaukee? Let's see which crew is representing harder in the comments. But wait, don't let the power tools blindfold you just yet. Near the back of the store, there are some absolute giants being cleared out at prices that probably have the local appliance shops crying themselves to sleep. All right, let's slow things down for a second in this aisle. This area is for the strategic thinkers, the ones who do the cold-blooded math. Usually people at SpringFest are so distracted by the flowers or the new drill sets that they walk right past a literal gold mine, the major appliance section. Trust me, this is where you get your return on investment the fastest. This week, Lowe's isn't just slashing 40% off refrigerators and washers, they're playing the more you buy, more you save game. We're talking tiered rebates. If you decide to overhaul your entire kitchen, they'll knock an extra $100 to $750 off your total at the register. Look at this Samsung French door refrigerator. It usually stands tall at over $2,000, but right now it's hovering around $1,300. Compared to buying from some big-name electronics store, you're basically saving enough to buy a scooter, plus you get Lowe's Pro-level installation. Last year, right when my old washer decided to go on strike clanking like a tractor in the middle of the night and keeping the whole house awake, I was going to try and fix it. But then I saw the SpringFest deal. I pulled the trigger on an LG front load with AIDD. This thing is so smart, it senses the fabric softness to adjust the wash cycle. The result, my greasy work clothes come out spotless without getting shredded, and my wife is over the moon because our electric bill actually dropped. That's the beauty of timing the market, folks. If you've been thinking about a home upgrade, don't wait. And hey, if this breakdown is helping you keep a few $100 in your pocket, how about hitting that like and subscribe button? Your support is the fuel that keeps me scouting these deals every day. You guys eyeing any specific kitchen monsters this year? Before you head to the checkout, look down at your feet. See those pav stones? Normally, they're a few bucks a pop, but this week, the basic styles are going for 50 cents to $1 each. I'm telling you, with 20 bucks in your pocket, you can build a sweet little walkway from your porch to the garden that looks like you hired a professional landscaper. And we're not done yet. Garden essentials like work gloves and spray bottles are being liquidated for $2. Even the heavy hitters like Zep cleaners or the legendary 30-second outdoor cleaner, the magic stuff that wipes mold and mildew off your fence in a heartbeat, are on a $10 deal for the big jugs. Compared to those no-name sprays at the convenience store that cost more and do nothing, this is a total steal. I remember once my kid got creative and turned my backyard wall into a mess. Instead of spending a fortune on a professional pressure washing service, I grabbed a $10 bottle of this cleaner, sprayed it on, waited exactly 30 seconds, and rinsed. Clean as a whistle. There's no better feeling than solving a $100 problem with a $10 bill. Do you guys have a hidden gem under $20 that you swear by? Let me know in the comments. This is what smart shopping is all about. Are these small deals enough to make you swing by Lowe's this afternoon? If so, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the shopping secrets I've spent the last 10 years mastering. But hold on, having the list is only half the battle. To be a true sale-slaying legend and not get played by the big box marketing, you need a strategy. Right now, I'm going to give you my formula for telling the real gold from the psychological traps. All right, folks, we've navigated the maze of red tags and slashed prices. But as a guy who's practically lived in these aisles for over a decade, I don't want you leaving here with just a trunk full of stuff. I want you to walk away with the mindset of a pro. Before you kill this video and jump in your truck, give me 1 minute to burn this smart buyer framework into your brain. This is the map that ensures Lowe's or any other big box giant never plays you for a fool again. Rule number 1, mulch and plants, always week 2. Don't get twitchy during week 1 and buy early just because you're scared they'll run out. Week 2 is when the floor hits that $1 or $2 mark. If you buy early, you're basically handing Lowe's your coffee money for free. Stay chill, there's always enough stock for those who know how to wait. Rule number 2, tools, no free battery, no deal. Do not get blinded by a $20 discount on a drill. Look for the BOGO. If it doesn't come with a free $150 or $200 battery, put it back. At Lowe's, the tools are the bait, but the batteries are the gold. Buying a tool without a free battery during SpringFest is like losing the race before it even starts. Rule number 3, major appliances. Wait for the bundle. Never buy a single washer if you know you need a fridge next month. Group them up to trigger those massive $500 to $700 tiered rebates. That's how the wealthy shop. They don't look at the price of the item. They look at the bottom line of the receipt. Being a DIYer isn't just about knowing how to swing a hammer. It's about having the brains to manage the household budget. Saving a few $100 with these tips means more toy money to take your shop to the next level. The battle for the best deals in week 2 is a race against the clock. In my experience, those $2 bags of soil and the BOGO drill kits vanish faster than an ex-girlfriend when things get tough. I didn't make this video to tell you to go waste money. I want you to buy the right gear at the right time. Don't wait until Sunday afternoon to stroll into the store only to find empty shelves and out-of-stock signs. That is the worst feeling a DIYer can have. If you're planning to refresh your garden or beef up your tool wall, get up, grab your keys, and go now. But remember, take that smart buyer framework with you so you don't fall into the traps. And here's the kicker. SpringFest isn't over yet. Week 3 is the extended phase, the home stretch where they try to clear out every last bit of inventory at even crazier prices if you know where to look. I'll be back inside Lowe's scouting every dark corner to find those final hidden gems for you. If you don't want to miss that Week 3 Insider Report, hit subscribe and turn on those notifications right now. Consider me the gatekeeper for your wallet. One quick disclaimer, I'm sharing these deals based on what I'm seeing at my local stores. Prices and stock can vary depending on your specific Lowe's location. I don't work for Lowe's, and I'm not sponsored by these brands, so always double-check the app or the store tags before you head to the register. Stay sharp out there. Thanks for sticking with me until the very end. Good luck on your hunt. May your truck be full and your wallet stay heavy. Now get out to Lowe's. I'll see you in the next one.